Today I want to share a safe and easy way to cut small pieces of wood. I've got these small pieces of veneer. They're about 1/8 of an inch thick, not too wide. And it's not a really good idea to cut this on a standard table saw. It could be a little tricky. This is a Micro-Tablesaw. It's got a 2-inch blade, and it's cute as hell, but it's very useful as well. I'll show you how it works. It's very quiet. You probably should have your eye protection, but I don't think you need hearing protection for this. Great for making pen blanks, especially if you're going to laminate them together. I use the ebony with lace wood veneer, which also cuts very easily on the Micro-Tablesaw. That's probably a little easier and safer than using a utility knife. This particular saw is a Micro-Lux 50304. I got it in 2005 off of eBay. I think I paid around $100 for it. New they're $150 today. You can check them out at micromark.com. I'm not affiliated with them. This is not a plug for their website. Amazon has an alternative called a Proxxon, Proxxon 37006KS. And that one's about $130. It's green, but it looks just like this one. They cut hard and softwood up to 1/4 inch and plywood up to 3/16 of an inch. It has a 2-inch blade, a little blade guard, and a splitter. Also comes with a miter gauge, so if you want to do some cross cutting, works great. The fence is adjustable. Just a cute little thing to add to your woodworking arsenal. So this is my second YouTube video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. I'm not producing these on a schedule, just when I have something useful to share. If you have any questions about me, about what I do, about my stuff, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching.